For centuries, we've been told a simple story. The pyramids were built by thousands of workers using ropes, pulleys, and sheer manpower. But what if I told you that story doesn't add up? The truth behind the pyramids is far more mysterious and, some say, even impossible. Were the ancient Egyptians hiding something? Or is history itself a lie? Stay with me, because what you're about to discover will change everything you thought you knew. Imagine this: over 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing up to 80 tons, stacked with perfect precision thousands of years ago without modern machinery. Even today, with our advanced technology, engineers struggle to explain how the Great Pyramid was built with such mathematical accuracy. The alignment with the cardinal points is nearly perfect. The measurements encode astronomical knowledge, and the pyramid's height multiplied by 1 billion gives you the exact distance from Earth to the Sun. Coincidence or something more? If we tried to build the Great Pyramid today, it would cost over $5 billion and still take decades to complete. Yet, we're told the Egyptians did it in just 20 years using chisels and wooden sleds. Mainstream historians say it was all done by human hands, but alternative researchers believe there's more to the story. Advanced lost technology? Some believe the Egyptians may have had access to forgotten construction techniques, possibly even sound frequency levitation or an ancient energy source. Extraterrestrial influence? Others claim the pyramids align too perfectly with Orion's belt and question if ancient civilizations had knowledge given by beings beyond Earth. Geopolymer theory? Scientists suggest the blocks weren't carved but cast like modern concrete. If true, it would mean the Egyptians had chemical knowledge thousands of years ahead of their time. But if these theories are true, it leads to one chilling question: what else have we been misled about? The Great Pyramid isn't just a tomb because, strangely, no pharaoh was ever found inside. No hieroglyphs tell the story of its construction, and its internal chambers resemble a machine more than a burial site. Some researchers suggest the pyramids weren't tombs at all but power plants. The design of the king's chamber, the use of quartz and granite, and its placement near underground water sources hint at an ancient energy device, one that may have powered an entire civilization. So, if the pyramids weren't just monuments but machines, what were they really built for? And who truly had the knowledge to construct them? The truth about the pyramids remains buried in history. Were they simply the work of human hands or something far greater? The answers may be hidden in plain sight. If this video opened your mind, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Because in my next video, I'll be exposing the lost civilization that might have built the pyramids before Egypt even existed. You don't want to miss it. The past is not what it seems. Thanks for watching.